Hello guys, this is Fidha show. So I got a new toy and it's a super toy. I'll show you. Ta-da! It's a vending machine. Let's open it. So guys, we are going to open a new vending machine today and it's so super good. And let's open it today. This is the vending machine I want to show you. So let's open it. Okay. Can you see? Get it? I'll tell you what's in here. So there's a strawberry thing. It's strawberry. Next, there's a orange drink. Orange. There's 2 of them. And the last one will be the kiwi. And there's more. There's 10 baht. You can put it. It's not real, but it's a toy. Oh, here. This is the 10 baht. There's 2 in each one packet. See? There's 60 baht now. And the last one will be a picture sign for the vending machine. Hey, I forgot to show you something. The vending machine. It's so big. And you have to put the juice inside. How can you? So I'll show you how to do it. I'll get everything out. Okay. Here's this one. Oh, that's gross. You want to put it down here? Also, you're going to put inside. So, oh, what is this at? Strawberry juice? That's correct. Orange juice? That's correct. Kiwi, so let's put it. There's the juices. I'm going to show you the juices, okay? Here. Good? See? Hey, we forgot one more thing. We have to put this inside first so we can get something. So, which one? This? 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 No. This one, okay? You can buy it, okay? Let's get the money. This is the money. Let's get it out. Oh, no. No, don't go. Did not go. I got the money out. Wait, we forgot something. Let's put it. We forgot this is the top. So we are going to put the top here? No. Here? No. It's here, okay? You know this? It's here. Okay. Beautiful? Hey, we forgot to put them. The coins. Now I'll tell you how to play this. Ready? Are you ready? Okay. Say yes. Oh, look at this. Is it beautiful? So the last step we are going to do is we're going to put the coins. See the coins? This is the coins. This doesn't look like a claw machine, but it's not a claw machine. It's a vending machine. Buy a claw machine also. I like claw machines. So, you know what is this? You can choose your flavor if you put a card first. How much is it? It's only 10 baht. Only 10 baht here. So we put it. I would choose orange. And you would choose what? What do you choose? There's a flavor. There's strawberries, kiwis, and orange. I like orange and strawberry. Every flavor. I put all the money inside. And you'll see how much money will come out. You cannot get the money back. You can get the money back. Want to see how to get them out? The cap off. Sorry, the cap was off. Okay, so I'll tell you how to get all our money. It's so easy to get it. Look, I'll tell you a secret and hint. It's in here. I got 3 flavors of juice. Look. And I'll get all the money out with this. You see a hole inside? It can get all the money out. So we have 4. The rest money fell. 4 plus 2 is 6. So there's a hole here, and you open it, it'll come out. See? Hey, what happened? I only have 5 coins now. I supposed to have 6. Oh, it's not coin. Okay. So I got all the coins back. I lost one, and I found it. So thank you for watching Fidha Show. Please subscribe our video. I'll show you one more time now. Look. So if you don't have a coin, borrow my coins, okay? Well, you know how to put it's the hole here. I'll get 3 select juices, and I got 3 right now. Look. So I'm going to put all the money inside. Because I already buy it, so I'll get any color. I got kiwi, strawberry, oranges. A orange